Okay, so what happens if you want to change the default screen? So for example, I'm going into 2D animation in Blender, and let's say that I'm drawing. You can see I've set up a couple of defaults. I've got the strength set to 1, I've got stroke set to 2, and iteration set to 3. That's not the default layout. And so to get that, what I'll do is I'm going to go File, New, because I don't want to overwrite it with those drawings in there. I'm not going to save. And then all you do is get the settings that you want. So again, I've got strength. I think it comes at around 600 or 0.600. I'm going to drag that up to 1. I've got my own stroke settings that I like. And then all you do is go File, Defaults, Save Startup File. And what that will do is overwrite the startup file with your own personal settings. This is great if you're using a tablet. For example, I've got the little XP Pen 640. And so I've got things kind of customized to how I like to draw with that little tablet. Anyway, hopefully that helps. Oh, and by the way, if you want to restore the defaults, the original ones, all you do is you go Defaults, Load Factory Settings. Okay, Load Factory Settings. And you notice that the strength has gone back down to 0.600. And if I go to stroke, you can see it's gone to 0 and 1 for iterations. In order to save this, though, we haven't actually saved it. All we've done is loaded them. We would have to go Default, Save Startup File, and that would overwrite the defaults, the system defaults now with that the stored. That becomes stored. Or sorry, the factory settings become the stored default. All right, that's it. Over and out.